How long before robots are doing your chores? Have you ever wished you had a robot that could take care of all your chores? Well, you're not alone. With advancements in technology, we're getting closer to a future where robots might just do that. In this video, we'll explore the possibilities and timelines for when robots could be doing your chores. So let's dive right in and see how long it might be before you have a robot as your housekeeper. Let's talk about something fascinating: the house-made robot from Japan. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's becoming a reality. We all know that technology has made our lives easier. And now, with advancements in artificial intelligence, we might be getting closer to a future where robots take on many of our daily tasks. But what about this Japanese house-made robot? Can it handle all of our household chores? And if it can, how well does it perform? Stick around as we delve into this intriguing development. Let's break down the world of domestic or household robots in simpler terms. So you might be wondering, what exactly is a robot? Well, it's a machine that's been programmed to do tasks automatically and precisely. It doesn't have to look or act like a human, but it can sure get things done efficiently. You know how robots have been a fascination in movies since we were kids? Well, it's not just in the movies anymore. With our lives getting busier by the day, there's a growing need for robots to step in and help us with our daily household tasks. These robots are what we call domestic robots, and they're like personal assistants for your home. They can do all sorts of things, from cleaning to teaching and even entertaining. Now here's an interesting fact. In 2018, there were around 16.3 million service robots in use. But the idea of robots helping us isn't new. Back during the Industrial Revolution, which was roughly between 1760 and 1840, people started creating robots to handle tasks like processing resources and building stuff. That was a game changer because it led to a significant improvement in our quality of life. But just to be clear, those robots back then weren't exactly what we'd call household robots today. Let's take a trip down memory lane to the 1980s when things started to pick up in the world of household robots. Back then, after about a century of industrial robot development since the Industrial Revolution, folks began to think, hey, why not bring robots into our homes? One of the early pioneers in this field was a robot called Hero, which hit the market in the 1980s. Among the various robots of that era, the healthcare-focused Hero robots were the stars of the show. These little robots were incredibly popular and successful. They could do a bunch of cool things like play music, entertain you with games, wake you up in the morning, alert you to important events, and even keep an eye on your home. The best part was, you didn't need to be a computer whiz to use these robots. If you wanted to change something about how they worked, you could do it with a regular home computer, an optional RS-232 accessory, and a basic cartridge. Then there was Topo, a home robot prototype from Androbot Incorporated that came out in 1983. Topo was quite nifty because it could perform geometric movements and various activities thanks to its programming language. But here's the catch. It didn't have the sensors needed to understand and respond to commands effectively, so it wasn't considered a full-fledged robot. These early prototypes paved the way for more accessible and affordable domestic robots. In 2006, there were around 3,540,000 service robots out there, showing that the idea of robots helping out in our homes was catching on. Types of household robots: indoor, outdoor, and social robots. Let's talk about the different types of household robots in a way that's easy to understand. Indoor robots. These are the ones that work their magic inside your home. Think of those trusty robot vacuum cleaners that roam around your floors, keeping them clean without you lifting a finger. Some can even mop and sweep. There are ironing robots that take care of wrinkled clothes, and advanced models that fold laundry neatly. If you have a cat, you might have seen self-cleaning litter boxes that keep things fresh. And there are even robotic kitchens that whip up delicious dishes in minutes. Outdoor robots. These robots are built for tasks outside your house. Imagine a lawn mower that can mow your lawn all on its own. You program it and it does the work, so you can enjoy your weekends. There are also pool cleaning robots that scrub and maintain your swimming pool, making sure it's always ready for a swim. And if you hate cleaning gutters, some robots do that too. They use brushes and rubber blades to keep your gutters debris-free. Social robots. These are the friendly companions in the world of robots. They come in various shapes and sizes. Some are remote-controlled robots. Others are electronic pets, such as robotic dogs. They are here to keep you company, play games, and interact with you. Some are even designed for telepresence, which means they can go to different places and let you communicate with people there through cameras, speakers, and microphones. Household robot in Japan. According to the World Health Organization, by 2050, 22% of the world's population will be over 60 years old. According to the Japanese government, approximately 40% of Japan's population will be 65 or older by 2062, necessitating an ever-increasing number of long-term care professionals. Let's dive deeper into the Human Service Robot, or HSR for short. It's a pretty nifty robot designed by Toyota, and it's all about helping you out at home. Imagine a robot that can move around your house, going from room to room, and tidying up. That's what the HSR does. It's equipped with cameras and sensors that help it navigate through your home. But here's where it gets really smart. It can see and recognize things using advanced deep learning technology. So if you've accidentally left your favorite sweater on the floor, the HSR will know where it belongs and put it back in its place. You can even tell it what to do using spoken commands or hand gestures. It's like having a helpful robot companion that understands your needs. But here's the cool part. The HSR keeps track of all the stuff in your home. It creates a virtual inventory of your belongings. So if you ever misplace something, you can just ask the robot to find it for you. It'll show you a visual representation on its screen, so you know exactly how it's searching for your lost item. It's like having a high-tech assistant right in your home, making life a bit more organized and convenient. And who wouldn't want that, right? While Preferred Networks hasn't given us any hints about when or if the HSR will be available for regular folks like us, it's a robot that could make a big difference in our lives, especially for those who find it challenging to keep their homes tidy. But it doesn't stop there. Think about the elderly or individuals with disabilities who could greatly benefit from having a robot like the HSR to assist them with everyday tasks. It's a game changer for sure. And who knows, maybe we'll start seeing these robots popping up in hotels or retail stores, making those environments more efficient and user-friendly. As we wrap up this video, we'd like to remind you to show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Now, it's your turn to chime in. What are your thoughts on household robots like the HSR? Would you like to have one in your home? We'd love to hear your opinions, so please drop us a comment below. Thanks for tuning in. Till next time!